What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new Lexus GSF side vents on this Lexus. Stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about the new side vents. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. We offer in different finishes like raw black, which means it comes straight out of the machine, might have some scratches, but it's perfect for the DIYers who can paint it themselves. We also offer it in primer, which is prepped and shot with a 2K primer, ready for paint. We also offer it painted, color matched to your vehicle, or if you like a contrast, we offer it in gloss black. You can also get it hydro-dipped, which is a method of applying a carbon fiber print design on the piece and shooting it with a heavy coat of clear coat. All our kits are designed specifically for each model. We don't copy paste the same design for all models. We design all our kits to use the factory bolts. We also pre-drill all the holes for you and include all the hardware for a quick and easy installation. With the purchase of the NIA side vents, you're gonna have the double-sided tape already applied to the back of it, and you're gonna receive an alcohol wipe. For this installation, you're gonna need a plastic spatula to remove the old emblem, and you're gonna need a little bit of double-sided tape to reapply the badge on the vent. All right, first things first, let's remove the emblem. Grab your plastic spatula and just creep up underneath little by little. If you do it carefully enough, you might be able to use the 3M tape that's already in there and reuse it for the vent. If it doesn't come out carefully, then you can always get some double-sided tape to reapply it. All right, so now that the badge is off, you're gonna get the alcohol wipe and you're gonna clean all the surrounding area where the double-sided tape is gonna go. While the alcohol dries on the panel, you can start folding all the corners of the double-sided tape. That way when you put it in, you can remove them after. All right, now that all the corners are folded back, this is when you have a chance to put it in and making sure all the folds are still accessible. Make sure everything aligns perfectly with your fender and your door is not going to hit when it opens. Perfect. Now we take off the tape. All right, time to put the emblem back in there. So in this case, I was able to remove it carefully and still keep the double-sided tape intact. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse that same tape. If for any reason you're not able to do it, you can grab some double-sided tape and just put it around the emblem and just put it back in the hole. Once all the double-sided tape is nice and tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please visit our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus GSF. If you have any questions, comment below. Please give us a like and a share. Thank you guys.
NIA Body Kits. Quality. Engineered. Artistry.